In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form payment page on Systeme.io. Whether you're selling products online or running a service-based business, having an efficient and user-friendly payment page is crucial. I'll guide you through creating one from scratch, all in just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Systeme.io account. If you're not familiar with Systeme.io, it's a robust platform that manages everything from sales funnels to memberships and marketing automation. So go ahead and enter your login credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Products Sales section in your dashboard and then click on Products. This is where you'll manage all your offerings and set up everything for sale. Click on Create to set up a new product. Here you'll need to fill in the product details such as its name, description, and pricing. Take your time to ensure everything is accurate, as this information will be displayed to your customers. After you've entered all the necessary details, make sure to save the product. This step is vital as it ensures your product is ready for the next phase. Saving locks in all the data, making sure nothing is lost in the process. Now let's switch gears to creating the actual sales funnel. Move to the sales funnel section of your dashboard. Here, you can either create a new funnel from scratch or select an existing one if you already have funnel set up. Sales funnels are powerful tools in steering your potential buyers from awareness to purchase. So setting up a dedicated funnel is a wise choice. Once your funnel is lined up, it's time to add an order form step. This is where you'll build the payment page where customers will complete their purchase. Adding this step is straightforward. It's essentially creating a new page within your funnel specifically designed to capture order information and process payments. With the order form in place, now you can customize it to fit your brand and needs. You can change the layout, add branding elements like logos, or adjust the fields as necessary. This customization is quite flexible, so feel free to tweak it how you see fit, always keeping in mind the user experience. Finally, with your order form polished and ready, it's time to go live. Publish the order form directly from the funnel builder. Once published, your order form will generate a unique URL. This is the link you'll want to share with your audience. Whether you're blasting it out on social media or integrating it into your website, this URL is the key that opens the door for transactions. And there you have it. You've successfully created an order form payment page on Systeme.io. With this page, you can now process transactions securely and efficiently, setting the stage for streamlined sales and increased revenue. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.